Hey guys, how's it going? And today I'll be showing you my brother's Ninja Legos. And here it is. It's a Ninja Lego mech. As you can see, the guy hops inside of there and controls the thing. And it has a lot of detail. And that's not all. The arms can also grab stuff. And he also has a motorcycle that he hop on the motorcycle, and it has the engines that are coming out with fire, and you can do cool stunts too. For one example, riding the bike backwards, and well, I think that's about it actually. But I knew there's more. If he wants to make a sharp turn on his bike, you can just move these here for a sharp turn. Oh, turn these around. Yep. Oh, okay, maybe not turn them around. It was about 300 or 400 pieces, and it's from Lego Ninjago. And I think that's about it. Thank you for watching this video. Definitely hit the subscribe button and hit the bell. And thank you. Bye.